Hi guys, I'm Ed. Welcome back to a sweltering episode of Eddie's Speed Garage. Today, in this Michigan heat wave, we're going to be installing some aftermarket step bars to the side of the truck. Got them for $170 off of eBay. Just wanted to see what they look like. They're pretty much a replica of the Honda pieces. They just don't have the Honda logo in the middle. Let's take a look at them. Alright, so this is what we're dealing with here. What you got is your two step bars there, 4 brackets, and a big old bag of screws, which I've already misplaced. I'm sure they're around here somewhere. I'm pretty sure that underneath you've got to cut a little bit of the plastic trim out, but let's get in there and find out. Talk about having to cut something off. The brackets are going to go into here, and there's a bolt back here, but it looks like it's going to interfere with the trim there. So we'll put that up there, and you see that? It does kick it out. So we'll do that on that side. And the other one right here. Here, this razor knife, it's in there pretty good. Sorry about that. We just keep going. Pull it back, start here again. So these brackets are marked left hand and right hand. So we get up here, you see, it fits right in place now. Let me go ahead and start the bolts. We're not going to tighten them all the way up until we get everything put in place. Alright, so now we got both of the brackets hung in place. They're still loose. I'm just going to go ahead and set the step bar on there now, and then we'll put the bolts in for that too. Alright, there we go. Now it's just tucked into place here. As you can see, it fits with the mud flaps, so that's okay. You got a bit of step there, and they can come all the way out to there, so this should help your front and back seat little people get out a little easier. Alright, so now I'm just going to tighten up the 2 bolts right here, and the 2 bolts that hold the bracket on both sides. The driver's side will be done. I think all together this is taking me about 15 minutes, and that was going back and forth to get a few things from the garage too. Alright, there it is in its final position. I don't think it looks too bad. Let's see. That's my weight. I weigh 300 pounds. Didn't barely move at all. So, on a scale of 1 to 10 for difficulty, I give this like a 3. As long as you can turn a screw, you can do this. And you don't even need any special tools. Just a 3/8 ratchet with a 13mm socket, extension, and a razor knife. That's all you need. Ramps aren't necessary, I'm just fat. So, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.